NetSuite's an integrated suite of applications delivered over the internet that's used by more than 28,000 organizations across all industries and in over 200 countries to run their business. The thing I love about NetSuite is that it's many of the companies that people use on a daily basis. Take your iPhone, for example. You might have an app like Duolingo on there. Or take your socks. You might be wearing socks like Bombas, or your favorite sports team if you follow the Golden State Warriors. That's one of the great things about NetSuite customers. The other thing about NetSuite is it includes everything an organization needs. And I think this is a really important aspect of what NetSuite provides. It's not just about financials, managing your books, but inventory, human resources, e-commerce, everything that an organization needs to manage their entire business. And all of that is in one place. So NetSuite helps organizations improve their visibility and their control into their operations to make smarter and faster decisions and really adapt to change as things are always changing these days. One of the things about NetSuite, and this is kind of crazy, is that NetSuite actually launched 1998. So almost, 23 years ago, if I'm doing my math right? It was the world's first cloud computing company. And when NetSuite launched, people weren't even talking about cloud. But cloud computing has changed the way we use and experience technology. We first started with financials because it's at the core of every business. You'd actually be surprised, but a lot of businesses don't know their financials. Understand things like cash flow, customer acquisition. They're key to understanding where your business stands, but also the decisions you make for your future. Our founder and executive vice president, Evan Goldberg, often talks about if you don't know your numbers, you don't know your business. And this is a key aspect of NetSuite. It gives you real-time access to this financial data, as well as insight into data around inventory, the supply chain, HR, etc. And access to this data across your business happens in real time. Coming back to, it's not just about one part of the business. It's not just about HR, not just about inventory. It's not just about financials. It's about the entire business. And so students will get a hands-on experience with a cloud solution, which has become table stakes as they enter the job market. Now, in particular, when using NetSuite, students will have exposure to key business skills: accounting, e-commerce, supply chain, sales, marketing. NetSuite also gives students the opportunity to learn about the key metrics that business owners need to understand to track and grow their organization. In fact, many customers ask about what are the things that they need to be measuring, and they look to NetSuite for that guidance. For students that are interested in a career in finance, NetSuite has incredibly deep financial management capabilities that give students the ability to really learn all aspects of finance. That's why we hire a lot of folks that are CPAs, have an accounting background, have a finance background, a business background. Oracle Academy lets faculty enhance a student's classroom experience by giving them a competitive career advantage with hands-on practice. Because NetSuite's a cloud company, students can access anytime, anywhere, whether it's in a classroom or dorm room. And frankly, that's exactly what our customers experience. It's what our developers experience. It's what our professional services team experience. It's what our employees experience. And it's really the beauty of NetSuite being a cloud, and all cloud, all day, all the time.